You know, all of it, you know.
Okay. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim me. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees, they're far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet, 'cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said, they were never true, in the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it hurts while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. That's all I know of it.
Wow. Wow.